What a feeling! Riding the new Pulsar 250 on the Bajaj Chakan track is an amazing feeling, especially after 20 years since the first Pulsar was launched. But this video is not about the Pulsar 250 twins only. This is about something much bigger. This is about my life and many other lives which have been changed by the Pulsar. But this story only I can tell, because the way it has changed my life, I don't think it has for anyone else in India. And what better place than to be near the Bajaj Chakan track where it was born. And what a beautiful place this is. So for me, everything started with the classic Bajaj Pulsar 180. And in fact, that is what prompted me 20 years ago to create a web page. But it was just for fun. It was about my personal motorcycle and that's it. But I started getting a lot of traffic from all over India on that forum. And it became India's first automotive social media network. But when I realized that I was getting so much traffic, I thought that we need to change the name to something more generic, and that is when XBHP was born. The moral of this story is that Bajaj Pulsar changed the fortunes of many people, and this cannot be repeated, at least in my lifetime, because it also changed the fortunes of Bajaj. It also changed the way India saw advertising, especially automotive advertising. And in 2021, as Pulsar celebrates 20 years, we at XBHP are celebrating 18 years. So on this occasion, I thought that why not try and find a Pulsar 2002 180 Classic. That was my first motorcycle. And I did get that bike, but from Siliguri. And I got it shipped to Delhi and I stored it to look same as my first bike. It was a very emotional feeling. In fact, that is when I uploaded this reel on my Instagram.
अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि ये एक ऐसी चाबी है जिससे कि आप दुनिया के 60 देश घूम सकते हो वर्ल्ड की बेस्ट बाइक्स पे, ये एक ऐसी चाबी है जिससे कि आप इंडिया की बेस्ट मोटरसाइकिलिंग कम्युनिटी प्लेटफॉर्म को खड़ा कर सकते हो, ये एक ऐसी चाबी है जिससे आप इंडिया की बेस्ट मोटरसाइकिलिंग मैगजीन प्रिंट कर सकते हो, और ये एक ऐसी चाबी है जिससे कि एक निंजा H2, रॉकेट 3, हायाबुसा और ना जाने कौन कौन सी मोटरसाइकिलें चला सकते हो। ये एक ऐसी चाबी है जिससे आपको लाखों लोगों का प्यार भी मिल सकता है। तो क्या आप मानोगे? नहीं ना। बट मेरे साथ कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ था। ये चाबी मेरी पहली बाइक पल्सर 180 क्लासिक की है, जो मैंने 2002 में ली थी, और आज 18 साल बाद मैंने एक पल्सर 180 क्लासिक को ढूंढ निकाला और मैंने उसे रेस्टोर करके अपनी एग्जैक्ट पहली जैसी बाइक थी वैसे बना दिया। नेवर स्टॉप ड्रीमिंग।
So this video that you just saw, it is basically the summary of my life of XBHP in 60 seconds. That's a lot to tell in 60 seconds, by the way. But it is also about how the Pulsar 180 magically transformed into the bikes that I currently have in my garage. And here are a few reels that actually connected with a lot of you.
When I popped off, then you go gave me just a when I popped off, then you go when I popped off, then you go gave me just a.
But it is not about the bikes, it is about the journey of getting what you want, the journey of realizing your dreams. And of course, the main thing is when you do, you have to inspire other people to do the same, the correct way. Now coming back to today, the 28th of October 2021, I stand here with the two Pulsar twins. The Pulsar F250 and the Pulsar N250. The review will not make sense considering the importance the Pulsar has as a philosophy. Pulsar is actually a philosophy, it's not a product, especially for Bajaj and for me. because it changed the way people ride. It changed the way people think about motorcycling in India and how people actually perceive India as a motorcycling destination and the producer of quality motorcycles. In fact, if I'm not wrong, the Bajaj Pulsar was the first motorcycle to be exported, first sports motorcycle to be exported out of India and into Colombia. Now the Pulsar has become a religion which comes into its purest form, because when you see the silhouette, you know that it's a Pulsar. Basically, they wanted to create an affordable sports bike, and that is why it does not compete with anything else which is there on the market, especially today. But when the Pulsar was launched in 2002, it didn't have any competition, unlike today. But even now, because of the legacy, the Pulsar stands so firmly with it, both feet on the ground, that if somebody wants a Pulsar, they will definitely get it. But the larger picture here, especially for Bajaj, is that they wanted to create a performance motorcycle that caters to the mass. If you want something which is more powerful, if you want something which has more bells and whistles, Bajaj has that in its stable. Now, legends say that Mr. Rajiv Bajaj visited Japan asking for help in building a faster bike in India in the early 2000s, which the Japanese did not approve of. And that is when Mr. Bajaj took the reins of this task himself to build India's first true sports bike. And that became to be known as the Pulsar. And not only that, they also started a revolution unknowingly in motorcycling, like XBHP, which was echoed by many across the world. That bike was the most powerful bike that was made in 2002. And it reintroduced motorcycling to the masses as a leisure and as a sport to a lot of people. In fact, the Pulsar is the seed which actually grew into a very beautiful tree with deep roots. And that is when brands like KTM, Husqvarna and even Triumph, they wanted a piece of it. Now today, Pulsar exports to more than 80 countries where it is extremely successful. Now that is what actually gave KTM the confidence to approach Bajaj, and Bajaj actually changed the fortunes of KTM as a company, as we all know. And in fact, Triumph also came on board to develop something exciting with Bajaj. My heart, my chest, literally is swollen with pride. Now, there are very few bikes which are a brand unto themselves and which have changed the fortune of so many companies single-handedly. And of course, of people, yours truly included. But then how can I leave out a brief history of the bike itself? Well, the first Pulsar was launched in 2002, born as definitely male. And that is, of course, when I got my own Pulsar. The Pulsar 150 and 180 Classic. And then the TTSI Pulsar followed in 2004, followed by the Pulsar 135 LS, and then the 220F, the revolutionary fastest Indian in 2007. And then the radical NS and RS came, which were a little too radical in design sense for people in India. But now, after 6 years, Bajaj has come up with their biggest Pulsar yet. As you can see here, what a beautiful looking machine. But like I said, this video is not the review of the Pulsar 250 Twins. In fact, you can go to xbhp.com to read more about that. Bajaj knows exactly what they want to do with Pulsar. I mean, when I saw Mr. Rajiv Bajaj say what he had to say, when people say that, the Pulsar, the new Twins, they are lacking in a few things, which I'll get to that in a little while. But in fact, these little and big brands, different brands that they have, they fit perfectly like a puzzle piece. And they have played everything right so far. They brought up motorcycling so much in India to a level that we have to trust them, what they're doing. Now, Pulsar 250 Twins have only 5 gears or single channel ABS. What about the change in frame? Why is the power equal to Pulsar 200 NS? And so on. These are the questions which a lot of people are asking. But remember, there are so many people out there for whom even 1,000 rupees is a big deal. And for them, the Pulsar 250 will be a dream come true to have. Bajaj does have the KTM 200, the 250, the Dominar, the Husqvarna, and soon enough, the Triumphs to fit all of our needs. Putting style and affordability in their own lineup that appeals to the masses is the reason why Pulsar exists. And the legacy and the role it has in making Bajaj can never be challenged. But if you want something which is more powerful for a specific purpose from the Bajaj stable, you can try the Dominar 400 to go for intercontinental touring, or the Dominar 250, which offers you a more toned down version, a more affordable touring option. Or one of the two Husqvarna twins, if clean design philosophy is your thing. Or maybe one of the vast range of KTMs that you can get off the road and on the racing track. So many products from Bajaj. One single company, it feels like they're spearheading the motorcycling revolution in India, and I'm just not saying this because I'm a Bajaj fanboy or anything. This is a fact. Or wait, if you want, wait a little bit more and you can get one of the made in India Triumphs as well. Right, so I have a very good example. One of the XBHP old timers here who is accompanying me with the N250. I want to present you Shashank here. Welcome, Shashank.
Hi Sunny, how are you?
Great. You tell me, 20 years later, we are here again with the Pulsars. If I say that Pulsar created you as a biker, would that be correct?
Yes, that would be the right connotation, I believe, because just like you, my journey also started with the Pulsar, my own Pulsar, my first motorcycle, Pulsar 150. And because of this Pulsar, you created BajajPulsar.com, which eventually turned into XBHP. And that is how we met. That is how a lot of motorcyclists like us came together and formed this beautiful community in the nation. So directly or indirectly, the credit will definitely go to Pulsar.
Absolutely. So, what do you think about, very quickly, about the new Pulsars?
They look fantastic and they are performing really well. Enjoying riding this naked Pulsar N250. The older charm is there, but still with a modern element to it, a modern taste to it, which I'm enjoying so much, and I'm sure that you're enjoying as much as I am, or maybe a little bit more.
A lot of people say that they are not looking good in the photos, but when you actually look them in the flesh and when you see more pictures when they come out, these are one of the most refined designs, most clean yet modern designs I have seen. Again, if we talk about a review, about the tech specs, everything, it's just a great package for someone who wants a motorcycle, Shashank. When, for example, he's probably 20 years old, 22 years old. I mean, there is no dearth of power. It's not like it's lacking power. But like I said before, if you want more power, Bajaj has got all kind of motorcycles right up to 44 horsepower of a single cylinder mill. So having said that, I think here you are seeing 4 products of Bajaj. Shashank, me, and of course the 2 Pulsars here. These have a lot of history like we do as people. In fact, that's what makes the Pulsars not just a motorcycle, but something in the echelons of the biggest brands out there, like the Beetle, the Mustang, the you name it. I mean, it's right over there. It's changed people's lives and it's changing the world. So why not? Who would have thought that one day the Brits would return to India like this? That is the power of India. That's the power of Hamara Bajaj. Right now, I'm on the new Pulsar 250. When Rajiv Bajaj said that this is the best Pulsar and the biggest one they've made yet, I can for sure agree that, of course, one is objective, it's the biggest. The other one, the best, well, I have to agree on that as well. If you are worried about the 5-speed transmission and all those kind of things, like I've said earlier, they actually translate into a different thing when you're on the road. And of course, if you want something more powerful, you can for sure go and pick any other motorcycle from the Bajaj stable. Now, I think that this Pulsar actually also looks good. Of course, it rides so well. The ergonomics are spot on. And if you want me to choose between the fade and the naked one, I would go for the naked one. Why? Because I think the Pulsar embodies its essence more in the naked one. It looks like more like a Wolf Street Fighter, like more purposeful. Test ride one if you're looking for a Pulsar, and definitely you will be impressed. This for now will remain as the affordable sports bike that India needs and a lot of us grew up with. So till then, take care and keep pulsating.